Well, hello everybody. Tonight we're going to do another VHS opening, and I'm James. And tonight's opening we're going to do is The New Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, A Bird of Feather from 1990. Yep, it's the front, spine for a picture of Pooh, and the back. This may contain the same previews as the Great Honey Pot Robbery. So here's the tape. Let's see it, shall we? Yep.
Now you can own the magic of Disney on video. A classic library can be yours forever. Announcing a long-awaited video event, Sleeping Beauty, Walt Disney's original animated classic, is coming home on video cassette for just $29.95.
I know you, I walked with you once upon a dream.
Set to an Oscar-nominated score adapted from the music of Tchaikovsky, Sleeping Beauty is a captivating tale of romance, song, and suspense. A magnificent achievement, 6 years in the making.
Stand back, you fool!
From Walt Disney Home Video, Sleeping Beauty. Pinocchio.
Say, that's pretty swell.
Disney's full-length animated classic is a timeless adventure that will entertain all ages again and again. The Sword in the Stone, spellbinding entertainment the entire family will enjoy. The enchanting story of young Arthur springs to life in this delightful Disney classic.
Hi, Elliot.
The magic of live action and animation brings Elliot to life in this heartwarming musical. Elliot is Pete's Dragon, $29.95. When Kevin Flynn, a computer genius, unlocks the dimension beneath the computer screen, he becomes a prisoner of his own making. Inside a computer, the new world, Tron. A film for all ages, the delightful musical fantasy, Bedknobs and Broomsticks, featuring ingenious animation.
The water where we get along swimmingly.
Also at $29.95, Mary Poppins. Treasure Island. And at only $19.95 each, join Winnie the Pooh in all new animated adventures. It's the Great Honey Pot Robbery and Birds of a Feather, 2 special volumes of all new stories to thrill Pooh fans forever. Plus, Mickey Knows Best. Brighten any day with the world's most lovable mouse. Everybody's favorite duck takes his friends on crazy adventures in Donald Duck Goes West. Celebrate the holiday season with Mickey Mouse and all your favorite Disney characters in Mickey's Christmas Carol. At these low prices, why not collect them all and share the magic with your family? Bring Disney home for good.
Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to the Winnie